Hey, 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 beginners! So this is our little teaching time for mathematics. And what is mathematics? That's right, the art of our long word, computation, which means to count. Very good, the art of computation. So this is what mathematics is, right? And so today we are going to learn all about coins. And I'm sure you've seen how your mommy keeps her coins in her purse, or maybe you have a little bowl at home where your daddy and your mommy put their coins in it, or maybe sometimes when you do an extra chore, your mommy gives you a quarter, or she gives you maybe a couple dimes, right? She gives you some coins so you can go buy candy or something, right? Okay, so we're going to learn about coins today. We have to learn what coins are and how much they are so we can know how to pay when we want to buy something, right? So it's important that we know that. So today we're going to learn about the biggest one, which is the quarter. Quarter. And a quarter is worth how many cents? Who can tell me this number right here? Mateo? Can you tell me this number? Yes, 25. That's right, 25 cents. Very good. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. Now a quarter is like this. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can ask your mommy to give you a few quarters and a few dimes so you can look at them as we talk, okay? So look, this is a quarter, and a quarter has what on it? It has a face. Do you know who it is? It's Mr. Vaughn. No, I'm just kidding. It's not Mr. Vaughn on there. Does that look like Mr. Vaughn with long hair? Mr. Vaughn doesn't have long hair. No. This is our first president. Do you know his name? The very first president when the United States started was George Washington. Can you say that? George Washington. And we're going to read his book this year. We're going to read the book of our first president, George Washington. Very good. And then what's on the other side? If you look on the other side, it says United States of America, quarter. And then it shows a picture of an eagle. That's right, because in the United States are represented by an eagle. The eagle is a symbol. That's right. Very good. Okay, so that's a quarter. And Josias, a quarter is how many cents? 25 cents. Very good. 25 cents. Okay, so we're going to learn about quarters. And if you can now take your dime in your hand and look at it. This is a dime, and so if I show you the quarter and the dime right beside each other, and if you see your quarter and your dime is way smaller, right? It's smaller than the quarter. The quarter is the big coin, the big silver coin. All right, so this one right here has a face on it too, but it's not the same face. I don't think you can see it very well, but look on your dime. Look on your dime. What face is that? Do you know? That's not George Washington. It's another president. It was the 32nd president. His name is Franklin Roosevelt. Whoa, that's a big name, isn't it? Franklin Roosevelt. Can you say that? Franklin Roosevelt. That's a big name. Well, that's another president that we had a long time ago. He's not alive anymore. But that's a picture of him. And then in the back, you can see a little torch. A little torch is, in olden times, they didn't have lights like we have today. So we had to hold a torch, and it had hairs, and we put that on fire. We would put fire on it, and then we would hold it, and the fire would help us see in the night. So that's torch, right? All right. So this is your dime. So you have quarters and dime. Now, let's look. A dime is worth how many cents? Who can tell me this number? Rocio? Can you tell me this number right here? Jude? What number is this? 10. Very good. It's 10. Good job, Jude. Good job, Rosillo. Good job, Josias. Good job, Mateo. That is number 10. So a dime is worth how many cents? 10 cents. And a quarter? 25 cents. All right, let's see if you can remember that. 10 cents for the dime, 25 cents for the quarter.